My name is Mary Gomez. I work at Bundung Maternal and Child Health Hospital. I'm the head of the Reproductive and Child Health Clinic. When you talk about reproductive and child health, it embodies a lot of areas. We're talking about the health of the mother and the child, including the husband. For us here, the husband is a part of the reproductive and child health package that we offer. So we have a lot of services that we offer, from EPI, from running infant welfare clinics, postnatal services, antenatal services, family planning services, and PMTCT, which is the prevention of mother-to-child transmission of HIV and AIDS. It's all inclusive in the package of the reproductive and child health services that we offer. So it's a lot of things. Whether all the services are met, that's a very big question. I think we're doing our best. When it comes to family planning, we've not run out of any of the commodities that the clients need. Usually we have the drugs that the patients need, and they're usually given to them. They're available. The antenatal services as well. There are lots of things that are available, and I think most of the basic things that the clients need, we are not struggling that much in terms of resources. Well, it depends on the need of the client. So people come for various things. People come for the family planning services of all ages, really. And this hospital is open for 24 hours. So there is easy access to whatever somebody needs specifically. If it's a mother, as well, a pregnant woman or a woman that has given birth, 24-hour services are offered here, and they have access to all the services that they need. Women, majorly married women. We have singles, but not too many come into our facility for family planning services. The figure for singles is really low. Majority are married women. That question is very big. I don't know what. I think there's always room for improvement. There's always room for improvement. We cannot say as a facility that we are okay, we don't need anything. There's always room for improvement in every aspect of care. in terms of equipping human resources so that more people are trained, because the work is huge. When you look at the ratio of patients to caregivers, you cannot just compare. It's not balanced. So at the end of the day, service providers are stretched, and that can also compromise the quality of service that is given. So I think in that aspect, it should be strengthened human resource-wise. In terms of training, people should be more equipped. In terms of much more advanced facilities, we look forward to being able to have those. So if you look in depth, there's really room for improvement. We do a monthly statistics on every activity we do. In fact, for our antenatal services, because of the numbers, we do it on a daily basis. And then we collate everything in the month and then submit it. So we have a whole data, if you want, from whatever year. Everything is documented. Yeah.